In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve quadratic equations by elimination. Okay, in this case, it's not graphing, it's by elimination. So first thing I want you to notice is the equations. The problem looks the same as you're graphing them, but we're going to do systems of equations by elimination. And here's how you eliminate. First of all, it depends on both of the equations. So I'm going to do the following, and what I'm doing is I'm doing the following. I'm going to check if the x's cancel. Can they cancel? Well, if they're opposites, they would cancel. Okay, so the opposite of negative 2x is positive 2x. These are not opposites, so the x's will not cancel. Now it's okay. Let's look at the y, see if they cancel. The opposite of plus 3y is negative 3y, so these will be opposites. So they will cancel. So I'm going to cancel the x's. And the way that works is plus 3y minus 3y, they're opposites, so these whole thing will cancel. So your answer will be negative 2x plus 6x will give you 4x is equal to negative 6 plus 18 will give you. And then last step, get the x by itself, divide by 4, divide by 4. These will cancel, so your answer is x is equal to 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. So my x will be 3. Now, pick either the top equation, top or bottom equation. Doesn't matter, pick any one. Let me pick the bottom equation. So I'm gonna pick 6x minus 3y is equal to 18. And you can pick whatever one you get the same answer. Now, I know that x is equal to 3, so go back to this problem, and where you see the x, I'm going to put in the number 3. So this problem becomes 6 times 3 minus 3y is equal to 18. So for y, and there's the answer. Step number 1, eliminate parentheses, fractions, or decimals. I don't have any of them. Number 2 is combine like terms. Well, hold on. I'm sorry, get rid of this. 6 and 3 is 18 minus 3y is equal to 18. No parentheses fraction of decimal. Number 2 is combined like terms. This cannot be combined because they're different. On the right hand side, the 18 cannot be combined because it is by itself. Number 3, separate variables and constants. Letters right here. So on this side, I'm going to write variable. And on this side, I would like to write constant. Variable means letters. Do both of these have a letter? 18 does not have a letter, get rid of it. So I'm going to do minus 18. And we do to one side, you do to the other. Now, if they're opposites, they're going to cancel. These will cancel, and these will cancel. So you have negative 3y is equal to 18 minus 18 will give you 0. There's nothing left over here. Get the y by itself. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. So these will cancel. So you have y is equal to, if I have 0 apples and I come into, well, 0 divided by 3 will give you 0. That doesn't go in there, so that's the answer. But remember, the answer has to be in this form. I need the x value and I need the y value. X is 3 and y value is 0. So that's it. That's your answer. 3 comma 0. That's it. We're done. Okay. Example number 2, same idea. I'm going to look at the x's or the y's, and I should be able to cancel one of them. And in order to cancel, they have to be the opposites. Now, are these opposites, yes or no? Is 5x the opposite of negative 5x? The answer will be yes. So these will cancel because they're opposites. So negative 6y plus 1y will give you negative 5y. And negative 6 minus, I'm sorry, negative 4 minus 16 will give you negative 20. Get the y by itself, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, The negative cancels, the 5 cancels, so you have y is equal to negative cancels, 20 divided by 5 will give you 4. So I know that y is equal to 4. So on this solution, the decision, the order pair, I know the answer is the y value is 4. Y is 4. Now I need to find the x value. Pick up the top or bottom equation. I pick the top equation. 5x minus 6y is equal to negative 4. Take this value, and where you see the y, you're going to put in the number 4. So this problem becomes 5x minus 6 multiplied by y, and y is 4, is equal to negative 4. So we have 5x, 6 times 4 gives you 24, and that'll be a negative 24 is equal to negative 4. Now step number 1, get rid of parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We don't have either of them. Step number 2 is combine like terms. On the left, these cannot be combined because they are different, so don't combine anything. On the right, cannot combine negative 4 because it is by itself. Number 3, step number 3, get the variable by its separate variables and constants. Variable is right here. Remember that means letters, and I want constants over here. Variable means letters. The both of these have a letter. These doesn't have a letter. Get rid of negative 24. We do plus 24, and then we do to one side. You do it to the other side. These will cancel, so you have 5x is equal to negative 4 plus 24 will give you 20. Last step, get that letter by itself. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. These will cancel, so the answer is x is equal to 4. So now I know the x value. The x value is 4. So this will be my final answer. Okay. My final answer will be the order pair 4, 4. That is the solution. And my final solution here will be 3, 0. That is the final solution. Okay. So now you're able to do the homework. Once again, we're not graphing anymore. We're solving systems by elimination. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Have a good one.